We got an older Suburban that has been, over the years, building up a bunch of little swirl marks, hash marks, and that just comes from dust in the air, bad car washes. We are buffing away, and right now we're doing a two-step paint correction. So we're starting with a cut and then going with a polish. So on this side, we have the before, and then right now all we have on this side is a cut. And if you could see it, you could see that some of the little swirls, little scratches, they've already gone away just with the first simple pass. So we'll finish this up and then we'll get into a polish and get rid of all the micro scratching, all the little etching, and really bring out the deep dark contrast of the paint. And it should clean up pretty good.